Good morning students, welcome. Okay, today we will continue our chapter understanding elementary shapes. Now today we will discuss about the pair of lines. It means if we have two types of line, if we have two lines, maybe they will intersect or may not be. So in the both cases, what we will say, these type of lines, if two lines are like that, they are intersecting each other at one point, they are cut each other at one point, at one common point, then this time these lines are called intersecting lines. When two lines cut each other at a common point, then these types of lines are called intersecting lines. See there, we can say the letter X represent the intersecting lines. Now, if we two lines are taking like this, they never intersect each other, they never meet each other. अगर हम दो लाइन्स इस तरह से लेते हैं, दे नेवर इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर, एक दूसरे को कभी भी इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करती है, और दे नेवर मीट ईच अदर, देन वी कैन से दीज आर द पैरेलल लाइन्स, दीज आर द पैरेलल लाइन्स. So when they intersect each other at one point, these lines are called intersecting line. They never intersect each other or they never meet at any common point. It means it is these type of lines are called parallel line. And the distance between parallel line, this distance between parallel line is always same everywhere. Distance between parallel line always same everywhere. Now see perpendicular lines. Before perpendicular lines, you can take the example of parallel lines. Suppose one straight rod is moving, then this one is rod, then see this line, these two lines are parallel to each other at the same distance, and these horizontal lines are parallel to each other also. If you saw the railway tracks, then these tracks are always parallel to each other. Wickets when you make, then also they standing at parallel to each other. So these are the example of parallel lines. Perpendicular lines, when two lines intersect each other such that they form four right angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. दो लाइन्स एक दूसरे को इस तरह से इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है कि इन दोनों के बीच में फोर राइट एंगल्स बन रहे हैं. इट मीन्स दिस टाइप ऑफ लाइन्स आर कॉल्ड परपेंडिकुलर लाइन्स. परपेंडिकुलर लाइन्स मीन्स दे विल फॉर्म right angles. They will form right angles. Okay, now see the exercise. Okay, more discussion. See, suppose a line AB is given to you. One line CD has it. Then we can see that CD is making 90 degree to both AC and BC part. Then CD is perpendicular. Perpendicular sign is this to AB. More suppose they are forming 90 degree, it means we can say RS is perpendicular to PQ. So these type of lines are called perpendicular lines. So we have discussed three types of line. One is intersecting lines, parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Now see the questions. Your exercise 11C. Name the pairs of perpendicular and parallel lines in the following figure. One figure is given to you. A, B, C, D. Name the perpendicular and parallel line. Perpendicular line C, AB, AD. This one angle is 90 degree. So we can say AD is perpendicular to AB. This one also 90 degree. So CD is perpendicular to AD. This one also 90 degree. Then BC is perpendicular to CD. This one also. Then we can say BC is perpendicular to AB also. Parallel lines AB and CD. Parallel lines. This one also parallel lines. That is AB parallel to CD. For the parallel we will use this one side. This one. Parallel sign. And we are saying AD parallel to BC. So we write down like this. AD parallel to BC. Now see the next example. Next question is given to you like this. One ABRU. A, B, R, U. S, T. And this one sign. This one sign is also of the perpendicular sign. It means it will make an angle 90 degree. So parallel line you can say AB parallel to RU, BR parallel to AU, and this one line is not parallel to this, but this one RS parallel to UT. 90 degree angle perpendicular line C. This one angle is perpendicular. It means RU and RS perpendicular lines. This is making 90 degree. And here also this is making 90 degree RU and UT. So these are the perpendicular lines. Okay, now see one question. See, if a line L is parallel to line M, कोई एक line L है. If a line L, see one more thing. See, line segment is represented by two ways. One representation that we can use two capital letters, and second way of representation we can use a small letter. It means for this, if I make this line and I write down L, then this is enough. I can say that this is a line L. But if I take here any capital letter, then I take this complete two capital letter, then I can say this is line AB. In the small letter we can take only one letter in small case, and in capital case if we are taking, then we have to take two letters. So in this line M, now it is given to you only line L. It means I can take this one. This is the line L is parallel to line M. One more line is here, line M. Both are parallel to each other. It is given to you. And M is parallel to line N. This M is parallel. This one parallel given, and M parallel to N given. L parallel to M, M parallel to N. What is the question? What can you say about lines L and N? L and N, what we can say? See, if any line is parallel to another lines, and they are parallel to each other also. कोई भी लाइन अगर कोई दो चीज के पैरेलल है तो वो आपस में भी क्या होगी? पैरेलल होगी. Because if they never meet each other, obviously they also never meet each other. It means from this we can say L parallel to N also. Okay. If the line L is not parallel to M. Next question. If a line L is not parallel to M, it is not parallel to M, and line M is not parallel to line N. M is also not parallel to line N. It follows that the line L cannot be parallel to line N. Explain your answer by making a sketch. See, L and M not parallel, it means sometimes they will intersect each other. कभी ना कभी एक दूसरे को intersect जरूर करेगी. When we will move in either direction, हम उसे किसी भी direction में अगर move करते हैं, in this direction we are saying, we can say that there is a increasing in the gap. But when you move in this direction, there is a decreasing in gap. It means they will intersect one time. Similarly, M and N also, they are not parallel. It means when you increase, then it will intersect sometimes. Now see, it means these both lines also intersecting each other one point. So if they are not parallel to either one, then they are not parallel to each other also. अगर M लाइन L के पैरेलल नहीं है, N M के पैरेलल नहीं है, तो इट मीन्स L नॉट पैरेलल टू N ऑल्सो. वो अगर उसके पैरेलल नहीं होगा तो ऑब्वियसली दे विल इंटरसेक्ट एट एनी टाइम. Tell whether each statement is always, sometimes or never true. Intersecting lines are parallel? Never. Whenever lines are intersecting, it means they never be parallel. Intersecting lines are perpendicular. Yes, maybe sometimes intersecting lines, because perpendicular lines also intersecting lines. They are intersecting each other at one common point. So, intersecting lines may be perpendicular sometimes, not always. Because intersecting, this is also intersecting lines, but these are not perpendicular lines. So the intersecting lines are sometimes perpendicular. Perpendicular lines are always intersecting. Perpendicular lines, whenever we will draw, it is always intersecting. So students, your 11C exercise also now completed. You can do in your notebook. And in the next lecture, we will discuss about the classification of triangles. Thank you.